Left all the radios on here.
The National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for residential installed trees in Portage County, Summit County, at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, at 10:30